Hello friends, welcome to Tutort Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Alanka and I have got for you a new case study on how telecom companies use AI and machine learning.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning have disrupted the whole telecom industry. Telecom industry players today use these technologies to not only enhance customer service but also to improve their own equipment maintenance. Because of this, their operational cost is also getting reduced. Let us have a look at the three areas where telecom companies have used AI and machine learning to maintain themselves in the competitive market. Number 1, chatbots. Earlier, telecom customers used to face a lot of problems like low internet speed, poor connectivity, etc. And we had to speak to customer care for hours and hours to resolve these issues, and sometimes the issue was not even getting resolved. To offer customer support services, telecom companies had to give jobs to a lot of people. If you agree to Newswise media research, companies had to suffer a loss of $62 billion every year because of bad customer experience. Today, with the help of NLP, that is natural language processing, these companies have deployed chatbots. Chatbots speak to the customers like normal human beings. Generally, we face similar problems and chatbots are programmed to solve such common problems. And if these chatbots do not have an answer to our questions, it redirects us to some actual human customer agents. Today, telecom companies have started using virtual assistants, which help small businesses in installation, setup, or troubleshooting without the help of any employee. Number 2, network operation monitoring and management. For us, it is very easy to use mobile or broadband, but actually communication networks are very complex and managing these are also very difficult for network engineers. But today, by using artificial intelligence and machine learning, network operations have become automated, which has made it very easy to control and maintain. Today, with the help of machine learning, the algorithm analyzes the data of customer complaints, service logs, cross-channel portals, or customer requests and helps in finding the performance issue, whether it is related to any device or any location. Number 3, predictive maintenance using AI applications. Just think, if the machine at your home can tell on its own that it has developed some problem and it needs maintenance in 5 days. It will be so good that you get its maintenance done in time. This will keep your machine working and its parts will also not get damaged. So time and money both will be saved. Telecom companies uses AI technologies like predictive analytics to solve this type of problems. Companies analyzes previous issues and train complex machine learning models through this data. Then these models in real time monitor servers, cell towers, power lines, etc. and predict any failure before time. Because of this, today we are getting best-in-class networks without any failure. Now let us see how Jio and Airtel are using AI and machine learning in Indian markets. Real-world application. The Bot Maker. Jio has recently launched the Bot Maker, which is an AI video call assistant. This software is a toolkit for developers with which small businesses like MSME, grocery stores, etc. can make their own AI-based bots. Airtel's predictive maintenance solution. Bharti Airtel and Evensues together launched Evensues Predictive Maintenance Solution. This solution is an important part of Airtel's advanced automation strategy, in which they are using machine learning and AI to make zero-fault, zero-touch networks, which is also thoroughly ready for 5G launch. Airtel's Smart Robot. Airtel recently partnered with TCS to build smart factories for manufacturers. This solution is a vital part of TCS Neural Manufacturing Suite and Airtel's 5G for Business. This solution will help manufacturers set up smart factories so that robots can be used in hazardous areas like mining, chemical plants, and oil and gas fields, and humans can be saved from working in such dangerous areas.
So these were the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the telecom industry. I hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.